Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to continue with the chapter Problems on Quadratic Equation, exercise number 6. In that, first I want to give 22 and 23 as homework. If you observe that, it is related to Pythagoras theorem chapter, what we learned in the last week. So the hypotenuse of right hand triangle is 20 meters. The difference between the length of the other sides be 4 meters. That means if one side is x meter, another side will be x minus 4 or x plus 4 meters. Find the other side. So you have to draw the right angle triangle. Okay, A, B, C. So this is right angle. Okay, in that hypotenuse they are given 20 meters. Hypotenuse they are given. That one side be x meter you take. One side be x meter, another side you can take x minus 4 or x plus 4. Apply Pythagoras theorem. You will get a quadratic equation. Solve the quadratic equation. So, that's why I am giving 22 as homework. 23, if you observe, the length of the sides of a right triangle are 2x minus 1. Next question, if you observe, the length of the sides of a right angle triangle are 4x if you take this one, this is 2x minus 1 if you take, and this is 4x plus 1 you take. Or you can take, this is bigger I think so, 4x plus 1, you can take it as hypotenuse, 2x minus 1 you can take it as other length of the right angle triangle. We have to find the values of x and area of triangle. Area of triangle means value of x you can find out using Pythagoras theorem, and area of triangle is nothing but half into base into height. Using that, after finding the value of x you will get all the sides. So using the area of triangle half into base into height, we can find the area of triangle. Area of a triangle. That means I think you will do it. So therefore I am giving as homework these sums. This is familiar sums what we did already. Now we move on to 24 sum. Two squares have sides x centimeter. Two squares are there. One is x centimeters sides. Next, and one more is there, square x plus 5 centimeters. X plus 5 centimeters. Sum of their areas. So sum of the area, this is square 1, square 2. Sum of the areas of square 1 plus square 2 is equal to 697 square centimeters. Express this as an algebraic equation in x. That means quadratic equation you have to frame. Then solve this equation to find the sides of the square. Then find the value of x in case of first square, and also you have to find the value of x in the case of the second square. Okay, we will solve this sum. Now, this is the equation. Area of first square plus area of first square plus area of second square is equal to 6. So therefore, area of first square plus area of second square is equal to 697 square centimeters. That is the equation usual. That means, what is the area of the square? X square, first square. Here, what is the area of the second square? X plus 5 whole square. That is, area of square is, you know already the formula, side square. So, in that way I wrote here. So, 697. Simplify this. X square plus, we have to expand according to a plus b whole square. A square plus b square means 5. 5 square is 25. Plus 2 into a into b. 2 into x into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10x is equal to 697. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 10x plus 25 minus 697 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 10x. 697 minus 25. 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7. 672. 672 is equal to 0. Divide through by 2. X square plus 5x minus 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. 2 6 is 12. So that is 336. Find the roots of 336. 3 ones, 3 twos. 3 3s 9, 2 remains, 3 4s. 2 ones, 2 17. 2 and 2, 1 remains, 2 7 14. 17 1 17. So 3 3 9, 9 2 18. Or 7 3 51. 3 ones, 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 3 9. It will not go in 3. So 3 ones, 3 1s, 3 2s, 2 5s are 10, 2 6, 2 2s, 2 8, 2 14, 2 7, 7 1s. Now 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 20. 7 2s are 14 if you take. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 is 24. 24, 14. 10 minutes, no? No, it will not come. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 21 you will take. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 21 and 6. So 7 3s are 21. So 21 into 16 I will take. 21 minus 16 is 5. 21 and 16. So x square plus 21x minus 16x minus 336 is equal to 0. So what is common value? X plus 21 in the first case minus 16 common, x plus 21 in the second case. So x plus 21 is common factor here. X plus 21, what remains? X minus 16 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 21. We have to neglect it because sides will not be negative. So x is equal to 16. So this is the area of, sides of first square. So what is the area of second square? X plus 5. 16 plus 5. That is equal to 21 centimeter. This is the area of the second square. So in this way we can find out the sides of the two different squares. So note down this one. So now move on to question number 25. The area of right angle triangle they are given. Area of right angled triangle is equal to 96 meter square. If its base is 3 times its altitude, base is 3 times of altitude, but altitude is not given. So therefore that altitude is equal to x meters. Therefore base is equal to 3 times of altitude as I was saying. So 3 times of altitude, 3 into x meters. Find the base. We have to find the base. So we know the formula. A is equal to half into base into altitude. Half into base into height. Altitude means height. Substitute the values. 96 is equal to 1 by 2 into base is 3x into height is x. So cross multiply. 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, plus 1 19, 192 is equal to 3x square. Therefore, this implies x square is equal to 192 by 3. 3 6 are 18, 1 remains 3 4, that is 64. This implies x is equal to square root of 64. This implies 8 meters. X value is 8 meters. Therefore, base is equal to 3x, 3 into 8, that is 24 meters. So that is the answer. Note down this. Question number 26. They are given the two parallel sides of a trapezium. That is x plus 8 cm, 2x plus 3 cm. They are given distance between the two parallel sides. That is x plus 4 cm. Area also they are given 590 cm square. They are asking you to find out the x. Now, area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Distance between them. Substitute the values. 590 is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides, x plus 8 plus 2x plus 3 into distance between them, x plus 4. 590. So we can cross multiply. 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, plus 1 11 is equal to 2x plus x 3x, 8 plus 3 11 into x plus 4. 1180 is equal to 3x into x, 3x square, plus 3x into 4, 12x, 11 into x, 11x, 11 4s are 44. That is 1180 is equal to 3x square plus 23x plus 44. So this implies 3x square plus 23x plus 44 minus 1180 is equal to 0. 3x square plus 23x 1180 minus 44. 10 minus 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. 1136. 1136 is equal to 0. Now you can do this work and solve for what is x. Should get the answer 16. You should get the answer 16. That is your work. So answer should be equal to 16. So framing the equation is very important. For that also we have 1 mark. And solving the equation to get the x value, for that also we need. So maximum 3 marks questions will be asked in this chapter. Okay? So be very easy chapter. So very simple questions only they will ask. They will not ask more difficult questions, so that you cannot frame the equations easily. So such type of questions they will not ask. Okay? So be relaxed. So very easy questions, easy to understand questions they will ask in the examinations. So note on this. So 27th question, the ratio between the length and breadth. Length is to breadth is equal to, they are given 3:2. So let length is equal to 3x and breadth is equal to 2x. Okay, units. Next, if only the length is increased by 5 meters, the new area of the field will be 2600 square meters. If length is increased by how many meters? 5 meters. New length is equal to 3x plus 5 meters. Okay. Now area is equal to length into breadth. So area how much it becomes they are telling? 2600 if length is taken as 3x plus 5 into breadth is as it is 2x. Now we have to frame the quadratic equation. 2600 is equal to 3x into 2x 6x square plus 5 into 10x. Frame the proper order. 10x minus 2600 is equal to 0. So divide 0 by 2, 3x square plus 5x minus 2 ones, 2 3 0 0. Now 1300 into 3. 0 0 3 9 3 3900. So 3 ones, 3 3s 0 0. 2 6 12 2 5 0. 2 3 2 2 2 5. Okay. 5 6 32 remains 5 5. 5 ones 5 threes. So 13 ones. So 13 5 is 65. Into 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 22 3 is 60. 65 into 60. So 3x square plus 65x minus 60x minus 1300 is equal to 0. So here x common 3x plus 65 minus here 3x square plus 65x minus 65 plus into minus minus 3,000 here 3x common, x common I took, no? Here what we have to take? Okay, so here 20 common I will take. 20 3 are 60 minus 20 65 is 1. So because 26 is 120, 10 remains, 25 is 100 is equal to 0. So x minus 20 is one factor, 3x plus 65 is equal to 0 another factor. So this implies x minus 20 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 65 is equal to 0. X is equal to 20 meters or 3x is equal to minus 65. This implies x is equal to minus 65 by 3. Because the length or breadth will not be in the negative form. So x is equal to 20 meters. So what they are asking us to find out? What is the breadth of the rectangle? So breadth of the rectangle. Therefore breadth is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 20 is equal to 40 meters. Because we wrote the breadth is equal to 2x, isn't it? So that is equal to 40 meters. Understand? So write down this one. Question number 28. The perimeter of the rectangular plot of land is given. Perimeter is equal to 114 meters. And also they are given area. Area is equal to 810 square meters. First question they are asking, take the length of the plot. Length of plot is equal to x meters. Use the perimeter 114 meters to write the value of the breadth in terms of x. Use the perimeter and you have to run. So perimeter formula is 2 into length plus breadth. That is P is equal to 2m plus 2d. Correct. Perimeter is 114 is equal to 2 into x plus 2b. So 2b is equal to 114 minus 2x, or b is equal to 114 minus 2x by 2. This is equal to 2 common. If you take 2 5s 10, 1 remains, 2 7 minus x by 2. That is equal to 57 minus x meters. That is the right first answer. Second, use the values of length and breadth and area to find an equation in x. So we know length, we know breadth, and we know the area, and frame the equations in x. Second one. So therefore area is equal to length into breadth. Area means 8, 10 is equal to length is x, breadth is 57 minus x. So 810 is equal to 57x minus x square. So this implies x square minus 57x plus 810 is equal to 0. Solve the equation and find the length and breadth of the plot. We have to solve this equation. 810. We don't know 810 is a big number. Take the smaller. 2 4s, 2 5 0, 5 8, 5 1, 3 2, 6, 2 remains. 3 9. 3 2s are 6, 3 7 is 20. So 3 9, 3 3, 3 1. So 30. So 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 27. 5 3 is 15, 15 2 is 30. So you have to get 57 here. So 57 means 2 4 ja, 2 0 ja, 2 5 ja, 5 8 ja, 5 1 ja, 3 2 is 6, 2 remains, 3 7 is 21, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja. So 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 is 81, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 2s are 27 2s are 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4, 54. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 54, 15 will not come. I will tell you which numbers you can get for that. 30, 27. 5 2 is 10, 10 2 3 is 30. Okay. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So 30, 27. 30 plus 27, 57. Okay. 30, 27. X square minus 30x minus 27 x plus 8m is equal to 0. So what is common? X common, x minus 30 minus 27 common, x minus 30 is equal to 0. X minus 30 one factor, x minus 27 is another factor. X is equal to 30 or x is equal to 27. So now there what they are asking us, solve the equation, find length and breadth of the plot. Length is equal to 30 meters. If you take, so what will be the breadth? If length is equal to 30 meters, what is breadth? 57 minus x. 57 minus 30. That is 7, 5 minus 3 is 27 meters. So length 30 meters, breadth is 27 meters. Any one value you can take. Any value we can take. Okay, because both will be minus 1. X minus 27, this also you can take. 27 if you take means you will get 30. Or 30 if you get, you will take 27. So therefore length 30 meters, breadth is 27 meters. Note down this sum. So what are the factors you will get means 140 into 40. So x square plus 140x minus 40x minus 5600 is equal to 0. So what is common? X plus 140 minus 40 common x plus 140 is equal to 0. X plus 140 one factor, x minus 40 is equal to another factor is equal to 0. Either x plus 140 is equal to 0 or x minus 40 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 140, we should cancel it. X is equal to 40. So what we got now? X value 40%. We can say it is 40%. So note down this sum. By this I will end up the session. In the next session I will start with question number 30. Thank you.